Good morning, friends. Let's discover the way how you can increase your business. There are few things you need to be very sure. So by implementing few important points, you can able to grow your business. Let's discover the things. So what is the first point? Whenever you are getting a 10,000 visitor to your website, or we can say 10,000 visitor to your organizations or shop or office, only 1,000 will ask you for more details. Remaining 9,000 will leave it because they are just going to inquire about the product. They are just asking you to curiosity. They are not supposed to purchase that products from you. So out of 10,000 visitors, 1,000 is the only your target audience that you need to filter out first. That will be automatically filtered by the websites. Whoever the particular person is asking some things to you, that is your inquiry, that is your lead. You need to be focused on that 1,000 only. But out of 1,000 you can able to attend only 100 or max to max 200 peoples because of your busy schedules, because you cannot understand something, some requirements, and many other few points are there, so that you can able to not understand that properly, and you are attending that only 100 peoples. And finally that 100 out of 100 peoples, 10 or 8 may be your coming to your exactly the customer, or they can purchase your products as per the discussions. So what is the scenario, what is the summary of this screen is that out of 1,000 we are not focusing on 10,000 because these are the just visitors. We are focusing on the lead, that is the 1,000s. 1,000s out of 1,000 leads you can able to convert only 10 leads. That is the real business scenario, practical things. You may have already faced these things in your day-to-day business. So now how we can increase these things, how we can convert more and more leads into the business? What are the key factors you need to improve? What are the points you need to improve? So what is the first task? Whenever you are getting 100 inquiry or thousands inquiry or 1 lakh inquiry, the first thing is to enter that lead details into the inquiry management software. Might be you are using Excel, or your representative is using Excel, or you are using some software, or you are using some manual ways. But the important thing is that if you are using doing this lead management manually, then you will miss the follow up details, that when to follow up this particular leads. So this is the crucial part. So what I suggest is use the some proper inquiry management software and do the entry of each and every leads. You might be having your representative like a receptionist is there, or some person is already assigned into the sales who is taking care of all these tasks. So just inform them that we are supposed to use this software. You need to do the entry of each and every lead into this software only. Now the benefit of that particular software is a reminder. That software can give you automated reminder to your representative. So there is no need to be worried about reminding manually. So representative is not responsible for the reminder, because just software will automatically pop up some things that you need to call these persons, because you already set up these reminders on 22nd date or some other dates, something like that. So whenever you are using the reminder facility automatically, you will not miss a single inquiry. And once you start follow up that inquiries, then you will be having a much more chances of the conversations of the inquiry into the customers. So now this is your the key points you need to focus, because Excel cannot remind you on particular date. For that you need to utilize some software, that is a lead management software or inquiry management software or quotation management software, something like that, to manage your inquiry and inquiries follow up, or we can say reminder. Whenever you are taking the reminders or follow up of the inquiry properly, then Customer will ask with more and more details, or more remarks will be there, more questions are there, more follow-ups are there. Again, how to manage everything. So all these follow-up details should be kept into the inquiry management software. So you need to enter all this detail, and here whenever you are entering all this detail into the software will segregate all the data, that these customer is important, these lead is of worth 1 lakh rupees, this lead is of worth 1 crore rupees. That will automatically segregate all the things for you. So it will be very easy for the business owner to segregate all the leads and take a proper follow-up. If that lead is of more than 10 lakh values, 1 crore value, then you need to involve in that particular part, because the representative or the sales persons is not that much experienced, they cannot able to convert that leads. So by using this software, you can able to find out that these many links you have to focus, these many leads are of the only small amount, for example 10,000, 20,000, so that you can give it to the sales executive, they can try to convert that particular leads. Here one more point is also there. If you are doing a business in a B2B market, or we can say business to business market, then your customer may ask for the quotations. So you need to prepare a well designed quotations. Again, that inquiry management software can come up with the quotations generations, PDF files. We are also providing the customized quotation management software. So in that software, you can able to easily generate the quotation with one click. Automatically PDF file can be generated, that PDF file can be sent to the customer. One more advanced functionality is there. If customer is opening that mails, you can able to get a notification that customer has opened that mail. If customer is frequently opening that mail but still not confirming that orders, that means something is in mind of the customers. You are getting that visit, that the customer is opening your mail again and again but still is not confirming the order, so that you can take a call and you can convert that lead based on your expertise. So this is the crucial points of the conversations and sending quotations to your customers. If you are taking a proper follow-up, then out of 1000 inquiry, we assure you can able to convert more than 800 plus inquiry. Currently, out of 1000 inquiry, you can able to convert only 100 inquiry because of the improper follow-up systems. If you implement this software, then you will get benefits of approximately almost 8 times 80 times more than that. Out of 1000, right now you can able to convert only 100 inquiry, but using software you can able to convert more than 800 plus inquiry. And this can be useful to your executive, sales executive also, sales manager also, and owner also. And finally you will see that your business is growing because you are taking a proper follow up of your inquiry, and your business will grow 110%. So hope you like these things. If you are having any questions regarding the inquiry management software, lead management software, you can contact us. We are having the ready-made software for the inquiry follow-up, quotation generations, revise quotations, quotation sending by email, again quotation sending by the SMS, and so much more functionalities are there. Just drop us a mail or contact us, call us with all your details so that we can able to help you out. Thank you very much for your time. Don't forget to like and comment regarding the same. If you have any questions, you can also ask via comment. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.